What you doing, baby?
Okay.
Are we painting together?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're making a beautiful portrait, huh?
And I'm making a rainbow.
Today is Sunday and we're having paint time.
Yeah.
Olivia's been asking me for weeks to paint, so here we go. What you painting, babe?
Rainbows.
Rainbows. It's beautiful. Do you like Mommy's hearts? Yeah. Love you.
I love you.
Are you using your fingers now? What color is that one?
Is that in the nose steps?
Not by the hearts, baby. Here's our finished product. Did you have fun, babe?
Yeah, I painted these pictures.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Today's Sunday, January 17th, and we had our little paint day. Was that fun, baby? Say bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I love you.